Audio Jungle.
You said something there that was really interesting to me. You said that you try to not make it punitive, and you were talking about it for your employees, of course, in that sense. But I, I wonder, are your how are your signs like? What's your signage like on your property? Is it like very positive in tone?
I think it's fun. It's fun. So we designed we have like a graffiti wall that we designed.
Okay.
And then my mother-in-law painted it, but it has like funny statements on it. Like now I'm not going to remember any of it. I can send you pictures if you want, but
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah,
you put two socks in, it's like math. One sock plus one sock in the dryer equals no socks or something, like
yeah. Right,
we
right.
try not to take it so seriously because it's just laundry at the end of the day. And it's not a fun task for most people. If it's a fun task for you, then maybe you should come work with us. But it's not fun, so we might as well just make the experience as fun as we can. So when we first bought the place, it again was meticulous, but it was all gray and white. That was it. It was like
Oh
very,
yeah.
very, very plain. And so we brought in greens and blues and put a graffiti wall in and tried to make it more fun and always have like radio, like music on the radio. So just a little more lively.
Well, I think I mean, you can go into some facilities and you can feel kind of the negative tone of it based just on how little details are handled. So
Yeah.
one of the things that I see a lot is a lot of either just paper signs that someone has hand drawn, right, and stuck on a piece of equipment, um, or signs everywhere, and all you see is no, don't, stop, never. So it's all of these negative words that you're creating from the moment someone reads that sign, a negative brand
Right.
interaction and a
Yeah.
negative experience for them. So I'm a big proponent of positivity, positivity, positivity. So I love that you guys are having fun with this.
Yeah, we might as well, right?
Might as well. What else are you gonna do?
I know.
Be miserable?
I
Yeah.
know.
Come on. Come on. Yeah, keep it fun. Um,